Mahakumbh Mela 2025. Why is it held every 12 years? How are its dates decided? New Mahakumbh Mela to be held in 2025. What makes it so unique that it happens every 12 years? How is its date fixed? Mahakumbh Mela, one of the biggest congregations in the world and very important to Hindu, will take place in 2025 from January 13th to February 26th in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. This holy dip is believed to wash away all sins and grant them moksha. Crores will flock to the city to witness the bathing in Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati. Why the Mahakumbh at Prayagraj? Ancient Hindu mythology speaks of it mostly in this story of Samudra Manthan, that is, the churning from the ocean. Deva, the gods, and the Asura, the demons, began churning the ocean in order to have the nectar of immortality, Amrit. From the churned ocean, a pot of nectar appeared. It began to spill drops here and there on earth, and these would come to be its four holiest sites over time. As they came to be according to these four: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nasik, Ujjain. Thus, these four places came in, and hence sacred they are. The Kumbh Mela is only celebrated at these places. Also, Prayagraj happens to have another epithet, that of a king of pilgrimage. Here, the first yajna was said to have been performed by Lord Brahma. References to the importance of Prayagraj are found in Mahabharata and other ancient texts. Why do we celebrate the Mahakumbh after every 12 years? The 12-year cycle is mythologically described as astrologically said. They say gods and demons would fight in the heavens for nectar for 12 days. Those 12 days in the heavens became 12 years for humans, so that's the cycle of arranging the Mahakumbh. How did one arrive at date determinations? The dates of Mahakumbh Mela take into account astrological configuration that change by the planetary position at a certain locality. Prayagraj, if Jupiter is transiting Taurus and Sun transits to Makar. Haridwar, when Jupiter is transitioning to Kumbh and Sun transit to Mesh. Nasik, when both the Sun and Jupiter are in transit in Singh. Ujjain, when Jupiter is in Singh and the Sun transits to Mesh. Spiritual significance. The Mahakumbh is not merely a festival but rather an experience through which devotees get immersed in their religion. Many believe that during the sacred bath of the Sangam, they get to lose all sins and find the liberation of souls. Gathering of faith. The Mahakumbh Mela is a grand congregation of saints, scholars, pilgrims, and tourists across the globe. This grandeur event of faith ritual provides an insight into India's deep cultural and spiritual heritage and reminds everyone about ancient Indian traditions. Thus, while Prayagraj gears up for the Mahakumbh Mela 2025, millions once again would converge here celebrating faith, devotion, and spirituality.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.